Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of black chia seeds. Are you ready to discover the secret to a vibrant and energetic life? Look no further than the unassuming black chia seed. In this exciting journey, we're about to unveil the amazing health benefits that these tiny powerhouses hold. From supporting your heart's rhythm to giving your digestion a friendly nudge, black chia seeds are here to redefine wellness. So, grab your favorite snack and join us as we explore the wonderful world of health through the lens of these remarkable little seeds. First and foremost, let's talk about heart health. Chia seeds are a plant-based source of alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s play a vital role in reducing inflammation, improving blood vessel function, and supporting overall heart health. The soluble fiber in chia seeds helps lower LDL cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and promoting its excretion, thus reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation, a key factor in the development of heart diseases. This anti-inflammatory action supports the health of blood vessels and the heart. Regular consumption of chia seeds has been associated with favorable changes in lipid profiles, including lower levels of triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, and total cholesterol. Moreover, black chia seeds are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance when mixed with liquid. This gel can aid digestion by softening stool and promoting regular bowel movements. The fiber serves as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, immune function, and overall well-being. The combination of soluble and insoluble fiber prevent constipation by adding bulk to stool and promoting its movement through the digestive tract. Chia seeds' fiber content can help alleviate bloating and discomfort by regulating bowel movements and preventing gas buildup in the intestines. The gel-like consistency of soaked chia seeds can soothe the gastrointestinal tract, providing relief from irritation or inflammation. Additionally, the soluble fiber and healthy fats in chia seeds help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. Chia seeds provide sustained energy due to their blend of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making them an excellent addition to your pre- or post-workout snacks. But wait, there is more. Black chia seeds can provide hydration support. When mixed with liquid, chia seeds develop a gel-like texture due to their soluble fiber content. This unique property helps retain moisture and can aid in hydration. The gel formed by chia seeds can help regulate electrolyte balance in the body, ensuring that essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are properly maintained. Chia seeds' ability to absorb and retain water can be particularly beneficial during and after exercise, helping to maintain hydration and electrolyte levels. The gel formed by chia seeds slows down the absorption of water, allowing your body to stay hydrated over a longer period. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know? Black chia seeds are a plant-based protein source. Chia seeds are considered a complete protein source, containing all essential amino acids that the body needs for various physiological processes. The protein in chia seeds provides the necessary building blocks for muscle repair, growth, and maintenance, making them beneficial for post-workout recovery. Protein-rich foods promote feelings of fullness and satisfaction, which can aid in appetite control and support weight management efforts. Chia seeds are an excellent protein option for vegetarians, vegans, and those looking to include more plant-based foods in their diet. What's more, chia seeds are rich in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, essential minerals for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Moreover, chia seeds' ability to absorb liquid and expand in your stomach can create a feeling of fullness, curbing your appetite and reducing the urge to snack excessively. The soluble fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, which can lead to cravings. Chia seeds are nutrient-dense, while being relatively low in calories. Adding them to your meals allows you to increase volume and texture without significantly increasing caloric intake. Lastly, chia seeds are a source of alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that supports brain health and cognitive function. Omega-3s contribute to the structure of brain cell membranes, enhancing their fluidity and communication, which is crucial for optimal cognitive performance. Remember, these little black chia seeds may be small, but their benefits are anything but. Whether you're adding them to your morning smoothie, topping off your yogurt, or sprinkling them on salads, you're giving your body a nutritious boost. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.